Two brands show up twice on this list, Anova and FoodSaver. And in both cases, the two models are built for real different situations, not just different price points. I'll be specific about which is which as we go. New to Unbox Daily? We test kitchen gear based on actual daily use, not just spec sheets. Subscribe if that's useful. This is Anova's full-size, higher-powered sealer, and the actual reason it exists is sous vide cooking specifically. A noticeably strong vacuum pump that creates seals reliable enough to survive extended water bath cook times without leaking. If you sous vide regularly, that reliability matters more than almost any other spec here. The build feels substantial, and adjustable sealing strength lets you dial things in differently for delicate fish versus sturdier cuts of meat. Compared to Anova's own slim and compact later on this list, this trades counter space for raw sealing power. It's noticeably bigger and heavier. For anyone whose vacuum sealing routine includes real sous vide cooking, this is the stronger Anova pick. The stronger pick if sous vide reliability actually matters to your routine, bigger than the slim and compact below. Link below. Nesco competes on feature breadth here, multiple sealing modes, and an accessory port that lets the same machine handle canisters and jars, not just standard vacuum bags. That versatility is the actual selling point, useful if your sealing needs go beyond basic bags into a wider range of food storage formats. The controls stay reasonably approachable despite the added feature set, and build quality holds up to regular use without feeling flimsy. It's not the most powerful sealer on this list in raw suction, but for anyone who wants one machine covering bags, jars, and canisters instead of buying separate tools, this earns real consideration. The most format-versatile sealer here, bags, jars, and canisters with one machine. Link below. Completely different priority from the Precision Pro above. This is Anova's answer for anyone with limited counter or storage space who still wants Anova's build quality without the larger footprint. Sealing performance is solid for everyday use, standard food storage and freezer prep, without matching the Precision Pro's sous vide grade suction power. The reduced size is a real trade-off, not a downgrade exactly, more a different set of priorities. Less power in exchange for a machine that actually fits in a smaller kitchen or a cabinet instead of living permanently on the counter. For anyone who wants Anova's reliability without the larger unit size, this is the sensible pick over the Precision Pro above. Real Anova quality in a smaller footprint. Less sealing power than the Precision Pro above, by design. Link below. FoodSaver's name recognition alone gets this on a lot of shortlists, and the actual reason it holds up is dependable automatic bag detection paired with built-in bag storage and a cutter, letting you create custom bag sizes without buying pre-cut bags separately. That's a real everyday convenience once you're used to it. Sealing performance is consistent and reliable for standard food storage, without chasing the specialized sous vide power Anova's Precision Pro focuses on above. Compared to FoodSaver's own Elite All-in-One later on this list, this is the more accessible entry point into the FoodSaver ecosystem. Solid core functionality without the Elite's added premium features. Dependable, accessible FoodSaver performance. The FoodSaver Elite below adds premium features this skips. Link below. This is FoodSaver's actual premium tier, distinct from the V4400 above in real, tangible ways. A built-in bag maker and roll storage system that streamlines the whole custom bag process further than the V4400 manages, plus refined sealing consistency that shows in cleaner, more even seals across different bag sizes. The price gap over the V4400 reflects those real feature additions, not just a fancier badge. Build quality feels noticeably more substantial too. This is built to be a permanent kitchen fixture rather than an occasional use appliance. For anyone who vacuum seals often enough to justify the upgrade, the Elite All-in-One is the stronger, long-term FoodSaver investment over the V4400 above. FoodSaver's real premium tier, worth the price gap if you seal often enough to justify it. Link below. If this helped you, tell Anova's two sealers and FoodSaver's two sealers apart. The subscribe button helps a lot. All 5 links and current pricing are below. If you've used one of these regularly for meal prep or sous vide, tell us how the seals have held up over months of real use. That matters more than a first week review.